Hey everybody, welcome to the Make Money Online Guy channel. I'm Javo. I'm always going to be giving you guys this juicy information. Today, we're going to be talking about ways to make money online in under 6 minutes. Let's get it started. Stay to the end of the video so you can see the best way of making money online easily. Earning money has typically been associated with and restricted to the traditional offline route. With the internet taking over a large part of our lives, more people are looking to ways to earn money online to increase their financial inflows with secondary income streams. You should be mindful of the platform that you choose. Some of these might be fake. Also, do not expect to earn a huge amount of money in a small amount of time. If you like making money and talking about money, then this is the channel for you. Let's dive into different ways that you can make money online. Freelancing. Freelancing has always been a popular way to earn money online, and the internet has several options. There are several websites offering freelance tasks for people with varying skills. All you need to do is to create an account, browse through the listings, and apply for the task that suits you. Some websites may even require you to create a personal listing with the details of your skill set so the interested clients can contact you directly. Fiverr.com, Upwork, Freelancer, Work Hire, all of those websites are freelancing websites that you can go through and make anywhere between $5 to $100 through multiple websites. I'm not really a freelancer myself, but anybody watching this video who is, go ahead and check out some of those websites if you're serious about making money online. Now let's keep it moving to the next one, which is virtual assistantship. Virtual assistantship is basically a virtual assistant that helps you digitally. Now I know it sounds off-brand, but it's definitely coming to the forefront of making money online. It's like having a secretary, but basically they're digital. Virtual assistants are skilled home-based professionals that offer companies, businesses, and entrepreneurs administrative support. Some of the major areas of work included making phone calls, email correspondence, internet research, data entry, scheduling appointments, all the things that a secretary would do for you in a regular business setting had it not been online. Now, becoming a VA may require some degree of training or briefing, depending on your qualifications. However, if you possess good communication skills and you're capable of doing applications like Microsoft Office, then you can sign up on sites like elance.com, 24/7 Virtual Assistant, Assistant Match, EA Help, Flex Jobs, just a bunch of places that you can sign up if you have those skills. Okay, now we're on to social media management. Now this is a huge one that's absolutely exploding in the world today. So to ignore obvious free advertisement is just ridiculous. You have platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat that can be used to make money. Companies and brands pay social media strategists to further boost the popularity of their products. It's a lot of competition, so it's important that you stay relevant. And henceforth, you should share your posts regularly with your followers. This one was a no-brainer, so we're going to move right on to starting your own website. There's enough material available online to help you put together a website. This includes choosing the domain, templates, layout, and overall design of your website. Once ready to service the visitors with the relevant content, you can sign up for Google AdSense, and you can put a link on your actual website from companies and earn money from that. That way you are building yourself up in the process. That's called affiliate marketing, but it goes along with you making your own website so you can get your brand out there and you can get traffic to your website through Google AdSense. Building your website can be potentially lucrative if you know what you're doing and you know how to set up the website to attract viewers. Honestly, I think it's an excellent way to start out, and I would encourage anybody to go ahead and start their own website. That way you get some sense of what you're doing when you first start out if you're a beginner. Now this next one is a no-brainer, and it's the actual platform that I'm delivering this video to you guys on, and that's YouTube. If you're not comfortable with pinning down your thoughts and through blogs or content writing, make use of your camera and create a video presentation. If you are good enough and your YouTube channel gets monetized, then you can absolutely make money from Google AdSense and the viewers that you get off of YouTube. It works similarly well as a model like a blog, except you're doing it through video. The payment one is based on every 1,000 of views you get, and how popular your channel grows. Speaking of that, make sure you guys are some of my first subscribers down below, because we're going to continue this channel. We're always going to talk about money and financial situations for beginners and how to make money online. So I encourage you to go ahead down there and subscribe for me, like, and hit the notification bell, because it certainly helps me out. And yes, I do like to make money as well. Seeing as we're a long way from that, let's keep it moving. I promise you guys at the beginning of the video, I will reveal the most easiest way to make money online with the least amount of work, and that is surveys, searches, and reviews. There are several websites offering money to undergo online surveys. They carry out online searches, they write reviews on products, and they get credit for it. Sounds simple enough, right? But to get credit, you have to give up some of your banking details to some of these sites. This is why you should use this route with utmost care. Some of them may even ask you to register with them before working on projects. The most important watch out in such projects is to stay away from websites offering money that appears too good to be true. You have to use common sense in certain situations, because there's a lot of sharks out there, and these websites are dangerous. Most sites promote businesses showing copies of payments which may have been given to middlemen only. So be careful with those sites, but it is the easiest way to make money online. Comment, subscribe below, and I'll leave extra links in the description down below for anybody who wants to look at those survey review websites. Well, that concludes this video. I wanted to get this information out to you guys in a quick manner, under 6 minutes. We're a little over, but that's okay. Every video is going to be about 6 minutes, and we're going to drop information quick on you guys so we can get all this information out to you quickly. Thanks for watching Make Money Guy Online, and yeah, see you guys next video.